Check it out on this freestyle shit, and you already know Zula gonna hit. Got your girl hits, got your mom hits, and if your grandma want a live bitch, I would get hurt too. See, this is one thing I do. Freestyling, smoke my herb, but all y'all wanna do is Pittsburgh. But I don't talk none of that beat shit, I just want that ski shit. Get up in that beach quick, I don't give a sheet lit. When I bust out, leave. Rip and dip, nigga, know my steez. Got these $10 jeans, $10,000 jeans. Nah, this me. $2,000 car, $3 jeans, $3 shoes. Already know, boy, I got the moves in this rap shit to make all my dudes get paid. Bitches wanna lay, I gotta tell them back off or they wanna stay. This apartment costs rent, $100 a month. Nonsense, no my cess. Killing everything and no competence or competition. You love it when my trigger finger be itching. I be killing. J Dilla, rest in peace, we feeling. Every beat that man made, and this here's man made. Zula be killing everything in his path. Nigga ready? Nigga I'm ready to spit stilos. I don't give a fuck about queer folk. That's all y'all now. Y'all don't feel this. Y'all go clown down. Y'all gon' hear this on the radio in your city. I don't give a fuck. Y'all not giddy. Y'all not getting any of my K-chips. I'm just with a pretty bitch down safest. Down South Beach. That's what I mean. I don't give a fuck if I don't make my words right. I don't give a fuck if I don't speak this words right. I don't give a fuck, nigga, speak my words right. Redundant shit. Y'all feel my flow, don't suck up, bitch. I don't need no fans on that Twitter tip. Got 6 followers and I don't need shit. I don't even post that bitch, I just keep gets. You gon' feel this. Y'all gon' hear me from the top of the mountains, Colorado type shit. Grand Canyon. Killing everything in my path, y'all know I'm very spitting like what I got T-Boo's berry, or what I got that pata P2's berry. I don't give a fuck. This is when the beat ends, y'all ready to cut or not really? My nigga, what's up? Just read like your mom. Give me that dime, nah, or give me that dime. A couple times, a couple rhymes. I split it like a chromosome. Nah, I wrote it up like a roly-poly-oly. No, I'm gonna kill it. Word up to Jody, word up to Jolie. Big O lips, DSLs. I don't give a fuck, she know me well. 8-inch long, no, I'm strong. And I don't need Viagra, nigga, I'm only 16 years long. 16 years old, no, I got flows. Wise be on my ears, no, I got pores. Oh, no, I am poor. 2-story house, don't got no drawers, don't got no closets, nigga, I'm too modest. Nah, I'm just kidding, nigga, I'm too polished. All I need is some kush trees and bad bees. Bitches that is. You already know my steez, the Shaq Z. Zula gon' kill it. I don't give a fuck, y'all girls wanna feel it. Y'all already heard this before, I'ma kill it. I don't give a fuck, redone shit is the realest. I'm the realest, what? I'm the realest. Nigga come get me, yo, I'm the realest.